Phonics Teach. This is the letter A. The sound of A is A, like in apple and ant. Say it with me. A says A, apple. Now look, it's the letter B. The sound of B is B, like in ball and bear. Let's say it together. B says B, ball. This is the letter C. The sound of C is K, like in cat and car. Say it with me. C says K, cat. Here's the letter D. The sound of D is D, like in dog and drum. Say it with me. D says D, dog. This is the letter E. The sound of E is E, like in elephant and egg. Say it with me. E says egg. Let's meet the letter F. The sound of F is F, like in fish and frog. Say it with me. F says F, fish. This is the letter G. The sound of G is G, like in goat and grape. Say it with me. G says G, goat. Here comes the letter H. The sound of H is H, like in hen and hat. Say it with me. H says H, hen. Now it's the letter I. The sound of I is I, like in igloo and ice cream. Say it with me. I says I, igloo. Say hello to the letter J. The sound of J is J, like in jelly and jar. Say it with me. J says J, jelly. This is the letter K. The sound of K is K, like in kite and kangaroo. Say it with me. K says K, kite. Meet the letter L. The sound of L is ul, like in lion and leaf. Say it with me. L says ul, lion. Let's say hello to M. The sound of M is like in monkey and mango. Say it with me. M says mango. This is the letter N. The sound of N is N, like in nest and net. Say it with me. N says nest. Here's the letter O. The sound of O is ah, like in owl and orange. Say it with me. O says ah, orange. Say hello to P. The sound of P is P, like in panda and pencil. Say it with me. P says P, pencil. This is the letter Q. The sound of Q is qu, like in queen and quilt. Say it with me. Q says qu, queen. Now meet the letter R. The sound of R is like in rabbit and rainbow. Say it with me. R says rabbit. Here's the letter S. The sound of S is S, like in sun and star. Say it with me. S says S, sun. This is the letter T. The sound of T is T, like in tiger and tree. Say it with me. T says T, tiger. Say hello to you. The sound of you is like in umbrella and uniform. Say it with me. U says umbrella. Now it's the letter V. The sound of V is v, like in van and vase. Say it with me. V says van. Here comes W. The sound of W is w, like in whale and watch. Say it with me. W says whale. This is the letter X. It usually comes at the end, like in Xbox and fox. Say it with me. X says x, box. Meet the letter Y. The sound of Y is y, like in yak and yellow. Say it with me. Y says yellow. And finally, the letter Z. The sound of Z is z, like in zebra and zoo. Say it with me. Z says zebra.
Subscribe the more video.